Hi guys, I had some leftover milk in the fridge. By leftover, I mean it's 1 day past the date of expiry. So I thought I'll make some sweet dish out of it. And I googled for some recipes and I thought I'll make RABDI. So I've started by heating the pan with 1 tablespoon of ghee, to which I've added about 1.5 liters of milk. Now, when I say expired milk, that doesn't mean that the milk has turned bad. It is all good and okay for consumption. If you see this yellow thing on top, it's only because I poured in hot cold milk into hot ghee. It'll all come together once the milk starts boiling. Okay, in this recipe, all you've got to do is keep stirring the milk on a high flame. You have to scrape the sides because if you don't, then the sides will burn and it'll be added to your mixture. So just scrape it off with the milk while you're stirring it. Once the milk starts boiling and bubbling, I've added about 1 cup of milk powder. Any brand would do. I've used Rainbow. After which I've added 3 whole green cardamom. That is only because I am not a very big fan of the lychee flavor, and so I don't keep the ground cardamom powder at home. Here I've added about half cup of sugar and stirred a bit, after which it reached this consistency, and you can just add in dry fruits and call it a day. It'll be basundi, but I went ahead and stirred it for a couple of minutes and made it thicker to reach the rubbery stage. So if you see, I started with 1.5 liter of milk and now it's almost down to 500 ml. Stir it for a few more seconds and that's it. You can keep it aside, cool it for some time. I took off those green cardamom bits that were there. You see the consistency, it's very thick. I got this matka while I ordered biryani from Gazebo, so I transferred the rabri mixture into this matka just for added aesthetics. I chopped in a lot of pistachios and I sprinkled over it for garnishing. I'm gonna keep this in the fridge for a couple of hours, and that's it. Your restaurant style rabri is ready, made at home.